Okay, guys, got something real special in the house. A beautiful, fully restored Mark III with the matching gold mic, the digital VFO, channel 31 we're on right now, as you can see, and the amazing 180 business amplifier. Fantastic radio, turned out really nice. VFO works perfectly. I have consistent power throughout the band. Whether I'm on the crystal side or not, this radio is consistent across the full 1 through 40 channels output wise. So yeah, let's go to the Dozy 200 watt scale. Oh yeah, ain't no doubt about it, man. Look at that cotton picker. Oh yeah, break. Look at it go. Look at it go. Audio, no doubt about it, man. Yeah, this is going to be one of the nicest ones I put together in a long time. All right, guys. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me. I'll try to get another one out here in the next week or less. See ya.